Assalamualaikum. We are from group number 2 from class BA16. We would like to present about a small business that known as Exploit Mobile Alambina. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group members. Our group member consists of 4 members, which is me, myself, Nuri Hazira binti Muhammad Helmi, Nur Damia Sofia binti Yazid Tumiti, Nurul Hanis binti Ihsan, and Siti Nur Ain binti Muhammad Irwan. First, let's look at content. First, we have a business background. Second, characteristic of business. Third, classification of business item. Fourth, recording process. And the last one, the strength and weakness of the recording process. Now, I will start with business background. Name of the business we choose for this project is Exploit Mobile Alambina. The type of this business is partnership, and the owner Encik Rizwan bin Rahani as admin and account, and Encik Gunawan bin Kadmin as operation. This business operating since 2024 and until now. The capital that they use to run this business is 15,000. Let's continue to business activities. They provide services such as repair and service on later models from major brands, for example like iPhone, Vivo, Huawei, Oppo, and more, on problems such as screen repair, battery replacement, component repair, water damage repair, software troubleshooting on operating system issue, bugs, and data transfer problems. Located of this business is Kedai Number 2, Bangunan Budi Siswa, Kompleks Alambina, UiTM 42300, Puncak Alam, Selangor. A shop for doing this business is actually rented. They pay 600 for a year.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Damia Sofia binti Yazid Tumiti, and I will be presenting part 2, which covers the characteristic of the business and the classification of the business item. First, characteristic of the business. Business ownership. The business is operated as a partnership where 2 or more owners jointly manage and share responsibilities. This structure allows better decision making and sharing of business resources. Second, workforce. The business employs 2 permanent staff members who manage daily operation and ensure that printing service runs smoothly. In addition, around 10 part-time workers are hired to assist customers and handle busy periods, especially during peak student hours. Operating hours. This business operates daily from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m., offering long service hours to accommodate student needs. By staying open throughout the day and into the night, the shop is able to serve a high volume of customers and maximize sales opportunities. However, the shop does close during mid-semester and public holidays as customer demand is usually lower during these periods. Business strategy. The business uses a simple customer database and organic marketing strategies, including product displays that help attract walk-in students without relying on paid advertising. For printing service, students can easily send their documents through WhatsApp, making the process faster and more convenient while strengthening customer engagement. Next, I will explain how the business items are classified according to accounting categories. First, asset. Assets are resources owned by the business that help generate income and support daily operations. In this business, asset includes current assets such as cash, printing, materials, stationery, and toner or ink, as well as non-current assets like printer, machines, equipment, and innovations. Liabilities. Liabilities refer to amount owed by the business to other parties. Since the owner uses 100% of his own money to start the business, there are no loans or long-term liabilities. The only possible liabilities will be credit purchases from suppliers. Owner's equity. Owner's equity represents the owner's investment in the business, and it consists of the owner's self-funded capital amounting to 50,000 ringgit. This also includes any additional funds contributed and profit retained in the business. Revenue. Revenue in the income earned from the business main activities. For the business, revenue mainly comes from printing service and stationery sales with a daily target of 1,000 ringgit. Expenses refer to the costs incurred in the daily operation of the business. This includes utilities, approximately 200 per month, and repairs and maintenance ranging from 300 to 1,200 ringgit, toner and ink replacement, RM 350 for one color and 1,200 for four colors. Staff-related expenses and inventory stocking estimate at 20,000. Lastly, drawings. Money or goods taken by the owner from the business for personal use. The owner has made a drawing and the amount has been recorded in the system as a personal use. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Shafinas. I am Nurul Hanis binti Ehsan and I am in charge to explain to you about recording process. So, what is recording process? Recording process refers to the systematic steps to record financial transactions of an organization in the accounting system following accepted accounting principles. Why is it important for a company or maybe a business to have this recording process? It is important for a company to have recording process because it can ensures accuracy and completeness of financial data, prevents errors and fraud, and helps in financial reporting and decision making. In the previous interview, Encik Rizwan, as the owner of X Flex Mobile Alam Bina, said that he used to record his business transaction digitally, which is in Loivers Post. Encik Rizwan used this method because it can accurately track, control, and analyze their daily operations. So when the sales and revenue recorded in Loivers Post, Encik Rizwan doesn't have to count the total manually, since it's an auto-generate app, so it could be easier for a business owner like him. The total amount would rarely be wrong unless the amount is entered incorrectly, and Encik Rizwan also can track his sales and transaction easier. So I think that's all from me for recording process, and the next person will explain to you more about their points.
So hi, I'm Siti Norain and I will explain about the weakness and strength of the recording process in Xflex Mobile. So let's move to the first strength. Okay, so the first strength is they have been using accounting software such as Loivers POS, which is point of sale. So why have been they using this software accounting? Because it's automatic posting, faster recording, and fewer calculation mistake. Okay, so for example, if someone has buy something in their store, they will scan the item and it automatically into the system. No need to note or something lah. Okay, so the second string, there have been proper document maintained. Why I said like that, because the owner said in our interview, the owner said they keep invoice, receipt, and supporting document because they scared that if something happen in their stock, if something happen in their stock have been damaged, so they can make refund with the supplier. So it's easy to reduce error in their business process lah. So the lastly string, they have a good timely recording of transaction, which is owner of as Flex Mobile said, they record the account process in daily, so the cash flows will always be stable, and management also can make a good fast decision. So let me explain the next, which is the weakness of the recording process. Okay, firstly, they have been missing an incomplete document because the owner said they have faced the problem that staff forget to attach a supporting file, so that will hard to them to verify the transaction. Okay, so the second, there have been stock count error, which is in their store, Xflex Mobile, there have been sale small item that easy to miscount and get mixed with other item lah. So sometimes they having hard to verify the daily sale. So the lastly, they are also using estimate calculation in recording, which is they difficult to reconcile daily sale. So that's all the weakness and strength of the recording process. Thank you.